Let's graph this conic section. Y is squared and x is squared. This is a difference of those terms, so this is a hyperbola. If you'd like to write it in that standard form, you can write this as y squared over 1 minus x squared over 1 because there already is that constant of 1 on the right side. Now notice, because y squared is first, this hyperbola opens up and down, and this hyperbola has y-intercepts of 1, 0, because b is 1, and notice a is 1. I've got y-intercepts of 0, comma b, and 0, comma negative b, so there are my y-intercepts, and once again my hyperbola opens up and down. If you'd like, you can go ahead and dash in a rectangle to help you draw the asymptotes that will help you draw the hyperbola. To draw the rectangle, remember you draw a rectangle using the corners of points of the form plus or minus a, plus or minus b. A is 1 and b is 1. That means the corners of the rectangle will be 1, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1, and negative 1, negative 1. Now I'll just dash these in so you can see the rectangle formed, and then the asymptotes are formed by drawing the extended diagonals of the rectangle. So I'm drawing in extended diagonals of this rectangle, and let me get this out of my way. So here's one diagonal of the rectangle. I'm dashing it in because it is an asymptote. It's not a part of the graph. It will just help me graph. And let's draw the other extended diagonal. Again, I'll dash it in. And that helps me draw the correct shape of the hyperbola. Here then is one intercept, and I just go upward, and I get closer and closer to the asymptote, but I do not touch it. Same thing there, and the same thing on this piece of the hyperbola. So there's the graph of y squared minus x squared is equal to 1.